Keystone Folding Box is proud to offer the Ecoslide-RX, the most revolutionary, child-resistant, and eco-friendly pharmaceutical package in the market. Protecting the most vulnerable consumers, the package meets all requirements of the CPSC and FDA with a child resistance rating of F1, the highest possible rating. Adults follow simple instructions to access medication. Press and hold the safety button in the corner of the package while sliding the blister card out of the carton. Then, press the tablet through the foil. After removing a dose, the blister card slides securely back inside the carton. With over 250 million Ecoslide-RX packages produced, this easy-to-use solution has proved effective in increasing medication adherence by way of calendarization of each dose. Compared to amber vials and HDPE bottles, the Ecoslide-RX reduces the need for plastic by as much as 50 to 75% on each prescription dispensed from a pharmacy. This makes Ecoslide-RX a winner in the category Environmental Responsibility and Sustainability. Each product arrives pre-packaged, which improves pharmacy dispensing operations by saving time and eliminating pill count errors. Request a sample or learn more from the Keystone website at www.keyboxco.com.